So everybody likes to spend all their money on all these new oils and lubricants they have and stuff. And, you know, I've always used, back in the old days for a posi unit, I've always used some gear oil, like some 90 weight back in the day. And then we put some whale oil in there, and that would keep your clutches from sticking when you went around a corner and making popping noise. This differential had some royal purple in it. And you know, the thing about it is, look at all that metal. You can put the best gear oil in the world in here, and your parts are still going to wear, and you're going to still have metal in your oil. So you should be changing this oil, as far as I'm concerned, as much as you should change just a regular off-the-shelf 80-90 weight. You're paying a lot of money for this, and I really have not seen the benefit of it. Did have a drag race friend of mine tell me that one time I blew a gear in the rear end. I went from a 456 to a 430, and the car was really heavy, and it didn't like that gear. And so one of my buddies was saying, well, you know, when you put your new gears in, put royal purple in there, and that won't happen again. And I just kind of chuckled. I think that either the gear was defective, you know, something was wrong there. I don't think it has anything to do with the oil. Anyway, I put a 456 back in it and went out and flogged on it a couple more years. So I don't really, you know, I'm not a big fan of this stuff. I'm kind of a cheapskate, but you know, use what you want. Go and buy that stuff if that's what you want. But myself, not needed. I talked to this customer. He's pretty much mechanically inclined, and he pretty much agrees with me. So anyway, like I said, it's up to you. I don't think it's going to stop you from breaking a gear. If a gear is going to break, that's metal fatigue, or you know, some hard force or something making that happen. Anyway, so there you go with that.